Hey everybody, with all of the craziness going on right now, many of us have been working from home and doing way more with Zoom, and it is so amazing that we have the technology and the capability to be able to do that. With that being said, I've had several people reach out to me and say, how did you do that virtual background? Don't have one right now, but I'm going to show you how to do it so you can kind of brighten up your virtual background for your meetings. So here we go. What we are going to start by doing is going to canva.com. If you don't already have a Canva account, that's okay. Just go ahead and create one. Everything that I'm going to show you is totally free, and almost anything that you do in Canva is totally free. You can pay for upgrades and different things, but you most definitely don't need to. So first thing we're going to do once you're in with your account is on the main bar here under search, we will type Zoom. Click on Zoom virtual background, and you can see all of the different ones that are available for you to choose from that are just good to go as they are. Click on a background, and here you can just easily download that as a PNG and download that image just as it is if that's the one that speaks to you. Or you can add a new page, delete out that image, come over here to Elements, click on Grids. This is going to allow you to upload any image you would like, whether it be off of your computer, off of online, or really anywhere, and make it fit the dimensions needed for your virtual background. Up here, you can copy that page, so you can do a couple at one time, nice and easy. Come back to this image, and if you want something that you have off of your computer, you can select here. Maybe it's just your company logo, maybe it's something else. Just be careful with copyright. If you're looking for just random things online, be careful about that. Another option is coming to photos, and these are stock images that Canva has available. So you can come in and choose whatever beach setting you might want. If that's what you want is a nice little sunset, or maybe with it being spring, you might want flowers. If you're a guy, you might want something more masculine, anything you want. Just type it into search. We'll have all kinds of options already ready for you. So now you have the images that you want. Download. PNG you want, as that's the highest quality. You could do all 4 images in one fell swoop. With that though, you're going to need to extract those. And at this time, I also want to give a huge shout out to Traceco at our office, as she has been our Canva guru. We would not have the slightest idea. I, in particular, would have no clue how to do any of this without her. So thank you, Trace, for your wisdom. So now coming down here, click on that download, select all, extract all. Just going to get them in the right format to be uploaded to your virtual background. Close these out. Over here, now here's the kicker. I've done this probably 3 or 4 times now, and it is not showing me the toolbar. So what you're going to want to do is go into your Zoom meeting. It doesn't have to be an active meeting. You can just click on a past link, and it should still allow you to pull up that Zoom meeting. Once you're in there, in the lower left, you will see mute, you will see a down arrow, you will see start or stop video, and you will see an up or down arrow. It's probably not showing you that on my screen right now. I'm sorry. I don't know why it won't. But the arrow that is right next to the start or stop video is what you want to be on. Hover over that, and it'll show you choose virtual background. Select that, and here you go. Here is where you can add any of the images that you have chosen. So go to your downloads, pull up the file, whatever it is that you want to add. Go ahead and add those, and it will automatically make that your background as well. So if you decide you don't like it, you can just click the little X, that deletes it. And that's how you do it. It saves these automatically for you. So anytime you open this, it's automatically there for you. If you don't want one any longer, that's okay. Just click none. Easy peasy. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you are all staying safe, and yeah, I can't wait for things to get back to normal, but we're learning a lot in the process, right? So if you liked this video, please like below, please subscribe to my channel, and I'm just going to be giving helpful little to-dos as I come across them. I want you all to take care.